In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your transfer using the MoneyGram app, whether you're sending money abroad to family or receiving a payment from afar. Knowing how to check the status of your transfer is crucial. So, let's get started and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, we need to log into the MoneyGram app. If you haven't already done so, grab your phone or tablet and open up the application. This should be right there on your home screen or app drawer, easily identifiable by the familiar MoneyGram logo. If you're not logged in automatically, simply enter your username and password to access your account. For those who haven't yet created an account, you'll need to sign up by following the prompts on the app's interface. It's a fairly straightforward process, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on the app's homepage where all the magic happens. Now, let's move to the task at hand, tracking your transfer. On the app's interface, you will see a few different features and options. What you're looking for is the Track Transfer feature. This tool is specifically designed to help you find out exactly where your money is and its estimated time of arrival at the recipient's end. So locate the Track Transfer option and give it a tap. Once you've tapped the Track Transfer button, you'll be prompted to enter your reference number. This is an essential step because the reference number is a unique identifier for your transaction. Without it, the app won't be able to pinpoint the specific transfer you are inquiring about. You can usually find this reference number on the confirmation receipt received when you completed your money transfer. Enter the number carefully to avoid any errors, making sure each digit is correct. After you've entered your reference number, the app will process your request. Within moments, you'll be presented with the status and details of your transfer. This information includes whether the money has already been picked up or if it's still on the way. In addition, the page will often provide crucial details like the exact date and time the transfer was initiated, any fees associated, and the amount received by the beneficiary. There you have it, a simple way to track your MoneyGram transactions using the app. This process is quick and efficient, giving you peace of mind and the ability to follow up on any transactions with confidence. Remember, keeping track of your money transfer is important, so don't hesitate to use this feature whenever you send money through the app. If you ever run into issues or have questions, the customer service team is always available to help. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.